Welcome to our roundup of the best non-toxic air fryer options. If you're looking to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without worrying about harmful coatings or questionable materials, you're in the right place. Today, we've selected top-rated non-toxic air fryers that combine safety, performance, and smart cooking features. From glass baskets to ceramic coatings and innovative AI technology, these air fryers are designed to give you peace of mind while delivering amazing results. We'll break down each model's key features, cooking performance, ease of use, and overall value so you can confidently choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal non-toxic air fryer for you. The first on the list is the Tyfer Sync 8QT. Large capacity design, AI smart cooking, and non-toxic coating make this air fryer a standout choice for families and health-conscious users. With its spacious 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for multiple people at once, whether you're roasting vegetables, cooking chicken, or reheating leftovers. The non-toxic ceramic-coated basket ensures that your food stays free from harmful chemicals often found in traditional non-stick surfaces, making it a safer option for daily use. Performance-wise, the Sync 8QT uses advanced AI cooking technology to automatically adjust temperature and cooking time based on what you're preparing. This means less guesswork and more consistent results, even if you're new to air frying. The dual-zone cooking capability allows you to prepare two different dishes simultaneously, each with its own settings, which is incredibly convenient for busy households. The rapid air circulation ensures even cooking, giving your food that perfect crispy texture without excessive oil. Another major advantage is its user-friendly interface. The touchscreen display is intuitive, and the preset cooking modes simplify the entire process. Cleaning is also hassle-free thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe components. Overall, the Tyfer Sync 8QT delivers an excellent balance of safety, smart features, and cooking performance. It's a great pick for anyone who wants a reliable, non-toxic air fryer with modern technology and enough capacity to handle everyday family meals. Next up is the Ninja Crispy Pro. Glass cooking basket, 6-in-1 functionality, and chemical-free cooking surface set this model apart from many competitors. Unlike traditional air fryers that rely on coated metal baskets, this one uses a durable glass container, eliminating concerns about peeling coatings or chemical exposure. This makes it an excellent choice for those prioritizing completely non-toxic cooking. The Crispy Pro offers 6 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, reheating, broiling, and dehydrating. This versatility makes it more than just an air fryer. It can replace multiple kitchen appliances. Its powerful heating system ensures fast preheating and even heat distribution, resulting in crispy exteriors and tender interiors. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or baked goods, the results are consistently impressive. Another major advantage is its user-friendly interface. The touchscreen display is intuitive, and the preset modes make it easy to get started right away. Cleaning is also hassle-free thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe components. Overall, the Ninja Crispy Pro is a fantastic option for those who want a safe, versatile, and easy-to-use air fryer. Its glass design and multifunction capabilities make it a strong contender for any modern kitchen focused on health and convenience. Next up, we have the Tyfer Boom 2. 360-degree airflow system, AI smart control, and PFSA-free interior make this air fryer one of the most advanced options available. Designed with a unique dome shape, it maximizes airflow to ensure even cooking from all angles. This means no more flipping food halfway through. Everything cooks evenly in one go. The AI-powered system takes convenience to the next level. It automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on the type and quantity of food, delivering precise results every time. Whether you're cooking frozen snacks or fresh ingredients, the Dome 2 ensures consistent texture and flavor. Its spacious interior can handle large portions, making it ideal for families or anyone who loves entertaining guests. Another standout feature is its commitment to safety. The PFSA-free interior ensures that no harmful chemicals are released during cooking, even at high temperatures. This is especially important for long-term health and peace of mind. The build quality is solid, and the sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Overall, the Typher Dome 2 stands out for its innovative design, smart technology, and commitment to non-toxic cooking. It's an excellent choice for users who want top-tier performance and cutting-edge features in their air fryer. Coming up next, we have the Media Flexify. French door design, large interior capacity, and multifunction cooking make this appliance incredibly versatile. Unlike traditional air fryers that rely on traditional baskets, this model combines the functionality of a toaster oven with air frying capabilities, offering a more comprehensive cooking solution. The French door design is not just stylish but also practical. It allows easy access to the interior without taking up extra space, making it convenient for placing and removing food. The large capacity is perfect for cooking multiple dishes at once or preparing meals for a family. From baking pizzas to roasting meats and air frying snacks, this unit handles it all with ease. Performance is impressive thanks to its powerful heating elements and efficient airflow system. It cooks food evenly and quickly, delivering crispy results without excessive oil. Overall, the Media Flexify is a powerful and versatile option for those who want more than just an air fryer. It's perfect for users looking for a non-toxic, all-in-one cooking solution that delivers consistent and reliable results. The last one on our list is the OurPlace Wonder Oven Pro. Compact design, non-toxic materials, and all-in-one cooking make this air fryer a favorite among minimalists and small space users. Despite its compact size, it offers impressive performance and versatility, making it ideal for everyday cooking. This model is designed with safety in mind, using non-toxic materials that ensure your food remains free from harmful chemicals. It's perfect for those who want a healthier alternative without sacrificing convenience. The compact design makes it easy to fit on any countertop, and it's also lightweight enough to move around if needed. The Wonder Oven Pro offers multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, and toasting. This makes it a great all-in-one appliance for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to simplify their cooking setup. The heating system is efficient, providing even cooking and crispy results in a short amount of time. User experience is another highlight. The controls are simple and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to get started. The interior is easy to clean, and the nonstick surface ensures that food doesn't stick or leave residue. While it may not have the large capacity of some other models, it's more than sufficient for individuals or small households. Overall, the OurPlace Wonder Oven Pro is a stylish, compact, and reliable non-toxic air fryer. It's perfect for those who want a safe and efficient cooking solution without taking up too much space. So that's it for the best non-toxic air fryers on the market. Whether you're looking for advanced AI features, glass cooking surfaces, or compact designs, there's something here for everyone. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.